Such a beautiful mannequin the wearing. It's a beautiful sequence work and Swarovski stonework of ready to wear saris with this black ash color with a white color combination. Do you want such exclusive ready to wear party wear saris? In this video, I'm going to show you ready to wear party wear saris. Friends, I'm your Rani Subramanian. Welcome back to Kesaria Textile family. I hope all are safe and doing great. This exclusive collections, which are 30 to 40 seconds wear of saris, this collections easily you can purchase at factory price, which starts from 600 to 650 rupees. Highest price only 2000 rupees. Keep watching this video, retailers, dealers, wholesalers. Subscribe the channel, manufacturers, you can directly deal and you can purchase these collections. Heavy, huge, profitable business of celebrity wear, party wear saris. Do you want to know every color, every designer, new exclusive collections, especially for the youngsters, college girls? These are saris are very demanded and fast moving. So subscribe the channel. You can easily do cash on delivery, advance payments, bookings, and retailers, dealers, you can add into your business. Even the friends you want to have these collections, all are semi-stitch. You can also have a bulk order. Here is a beautiful pattern you can see here. The satin base, multicolored with the wave pattern. This is a semi-stitched sari, which is a beautiful pattern. This is the only sari where you have to, like skirt pattern, you have to just wear it. And this comes like this. This is a ready to wear sari. Okay. So this is sari's front part. Okay. And this is the ready-made blouse, which is a only chunky work. Blue, black, grey, peach color combination. Multi-designer party wear sari. This comes like this. This is a veil actually. Okay. This is veil. This is blouse. This comes like this. And this is a sari. So it's very easy to wear and you no need to, it doesn't take much time actually. 30 to 40 seconds it takes to wear. So I request college girls, everyone, if you're looking for this collections, you can also have a bulk order. This is one more pattern. I'm going to show you. This is one more pattern. This is an English color with a multi-designer blouse. And here such a pretty work has been done with the sleeves, with the semi pads also which is given where you can remove it. And this is a sari. Okay. This is the pattern. Every sari you will have a hook. You can easily wear. And this is a pallu. The veil which is designed. Such a pretty. See. This comes like this. Almost as it's a semi-stitch, just you have to wear it. And in this sari you have a mini stylish handbag. So this is very pretty, and if you really want to enjoy the parties, evening parties, you can have it. Next pattern. Black with a georgette based sequence work. The multiple layers which has been designed. So this is a celebrity wear pattern. The black color. Disco color, disco lighting I can say. With the satin based, with the plain, which comes like this. This comes like here. Okay. This is one of the pattern. There's a fully stonework which has been given here. Okay. For the discos, parties, evenings, collections where the boutique retailers, you can also wear these varieties and you can easily promote these ready to wear saris on the mannequins. Here is a mannequin. You can see how the manufacturers are displayed at our shop, and here is also one of the mannequin is wearing a jacquard work of jerry work sari. This also you can purchase. All these varieties, and one more sari which is very pretty of onion color, which is only the thread work on that, the chunky work based on the color, it is highlighted. Mini crop top blouse, I can say. The stylish, fancy, ready-to-wear sarees. And this is the silk satin based. And here is the pattern. And this is the sari. See? Such a pretty sari. And this is the veil. See? It comes here actually. So, the designer, how the manufacturer has stitched a sari, this is the pattern, and this pattern, if you see the front part of the sari, so this comes here. So I'll just show you. So I've just a sample the sari which is a net based. I've showed you the blouse and the frills designer which has been worked here, and the sari, the veil which you're seeing here, and the sari is almost only a hook where easily you can wrap like a skirt and you can wear it. So in this you have a ready-made blouse also. In this ready-made blouse you have the all are semi-stitched free sizes. In this you have a colors, designs, varieties also. So this is one of the pattern I've showed you. Next pattern, blue color, is something different. So let's see how the pattern it is. So this is a blouse, see here, only the net based of the sequins and silver finishing, and here is the pearl work they have done here. The beautiful pearl designer work has been done, and there are the beautiful knots over given here. So this is the back part. You can just knot like this. Okay, I'm just showing you. These are all discos, party wears, and the beautiful handwork designer party wear saris are here, the open type pattern, and the saris having a inskirt also, like it's like totally different concept of the skirt pattern. See, this also looks a sari pattern, but it looks very simple, sober too, and there is a zip over here. You can see the zip, and here is also one side knot. This is like how the disco tube like colors in that pattern, the designer, the net based, and you have a satin lining also inside. So this is one of the pattern of the ready to wear saris. I've showed you all the ready to wear party wear saris. Friends, retailers, dealers, wholesalers, if you want to add into your business direct with the manufacturers, you can contact, because at the market retailers, these saris are 10,000, 12,000, 15,000. These collections are at the market. And friends, you may also purchase these ready to wear saris. I'm not telling you the exact prices, but the highest prices with the manufacturer is 2,000 rupees. And Kesaria manufactures all of these are designer boutique varieties of saris. If you want to invest on something like designer boutique, you want to start women's, especially women entrepreneurs, 50,000 you can invest on Indian currency and you can easily start your boutique. If you have a space, you can convert into shop, or you can do interior designs, and you can easily have a huge profitable business. But the location is very important, which kind of location you are choosing, where there should be a lot of walk-ins. So I end up this video. Subscribe the channel for the regular updates. Keep watching for the regular updates like ready-made women apparels from kids collections, even men shirting cloths like t-shirts, pant shirts. Even we have a boutique ready-made kurta sets, dress materials, saris matching collections, lehengas, bridal, side wear, party wear, crop top, peplum, sharara, garara, all at one place you can purchase. Try to visit once where you have an airport facility and you can come by train also. We do have we are providing you pick-up drop facilities also. Next video will come up with new more collections and business information. Keep supporting me. From which city you're watching the video, let me know in the comment box. Please share with your friends, relatives. Next video will meet. Until then, take it. Bye-bye.
साड़ी कुर्ती या हो लहंगा, सही दाम का